In this screencast, I am going to show you how to create a screencast. So one of the tools that you can use is called Screencast O Matic. So if I Google Screencast O Matic, and you go ahead and click on that. Okay. You can sign up for an account or log in, but you can also just start recording for free. So if I go ahead and go in here, you can see a little privacy thing down here. So, yep, we agree. And then from here, you go ahead and you click Launch Free Recorder. Okay, so go ahead and open. And it just kind of takes a minute to get going. Okay, and then from here is where you can decide where you want the screencast to be. Okay, so right here you can also see screen, so it will just record what's on your screen. If you choose webcam, that means it's just going to record your face. And if you want both, that means that your face will kind of show in the bottom corner. Okay, so one of the things that you would probably want to do is make this as big as you can, especially if you're, recording your own. When you are ready to record, then right here you click that record button. Okay, this right here is the settings. So see how I turned it off and then turned it back on. You can click into your preferences. I don't typically go into this at all. I basically just start recording. So right here, I click record, and it does a countdown for you. And then now I'm actually double screencasting right now because I'm using two different tools. When you are done, then what you can do is click the pause button. Okay, you can continue recording, you can end your recording, but it's nice to be able to pause, especially when you're at school and you have kids yelling in the hallways. So when you're completely done, then you're going to click the button right here that says done. Okay. You can watch your screen recording. You can save it as a video file, so that means you're just saving it to your computer. If you created an account for Screencast O Matic, you could save it to your account, or if you have a YouTube, then you can upload it to YouTube. And what's nice about that is then you can just have a YouTube link that's emailed out. If you're wanting to use this for kiddos or with Seesaw, I would suggest either saving it as a video file or uploading it to YouTube. And it's really easy to create a YouTube account. You can create a YouTube account with your own email too. So let's just say I'm going to save it as a video file. If you click in here, you can change the name. Okay, publish, and then, oh, sorry, I have to choose a folder where to save it. So I can just have it, right now it's just going to go into my documents, and I click publish, and you can see that it just takes a few minutes, and obviously the video that I did was pretty short, and then it's saved. And that is how you create a screencast with Screencast O Matic.